Well, today I'm getting ready to say goodbye to my old Mercedes 6.9. It just recently sold to an enthusiast in California, and in a few days it's going to be picked up and hauled down there, and he plans to completely restore this car. I know some of you have seen the previous video, you think, man, that's going to be a lot of work. Well, he's committed, and I'm kind of glad I saved it, that it didn't go to the crusher, because if I hadn't have pulled it off San Juan Island, it probably would have. I brought out my daughter's 300 SD, and you're going to get to see what this car originally looked like in a way, because the original color of the 6.9 was not this beautiful burgundy color. I've got so many comments how beautiful this color is on the 6.9. But anthracite on a W116 chassis is also one of my favorite colors. So the owner's not sure. He knows the original color, but he really loves this color. And what I've asked him to do is keep me informed of the progress. And maybe if he sends some pictures in the future, we can together see how this whole 6.9 is coming along. You know, I pulled it out of storage, just been sitting for over a month, it hasn't run. And lo and behold, the thing fired up, and after running it for 2 or 3 minutes, it just kind of smoothed out, suddenly kind of cured some of the rough running that it had been experienced. And I think a lot of that was just gummed up fuel injectors for sitting for years. There's another thing you'll note about the difference in the two cars. This is a short bodied W116 and this is the long body, and you'll see the difference in the length of the rear door here. When you had a 450 SEL or a 6.9, you got the longer body. And so I thought I'd just take a minute and fire this engine up, let you hear it, let you say goodbye. It's one really impressive engine. And so as a parting shot, I thought I would open the hood and we can all together pay homage to the 6.9.